Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Bitscap, the grid trading bot I've been using to do my challenge to go for one Bitcoin. How's it going? Are you following or are you missing out? Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up to date. So, what's Bitscap? Bitscap is an all in one trading platform for your Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. You can use multiple exchanges on it. It works on your behalf while you're busy and doing different things. As you can see, they have all the main exchanges, and all you need to do is connect your API keys with the exchange, meaning Bitscap can't run away with your money. They're just a service which you pay a small monthly fee, but in my opinion, it's well worth it. They've been working for me for months now, and they're even giving you a 14-day free trial when you sign up. So make sure when you sign up, you're ready to go with the 14-day free trial, or sign up and use their demo account to learn the platform first. The link will be in the description. But how is my status going? Am I getting closer to my 1 Bitcoin? Let's see. I've started with $5,000. I'm up to $7,500. I started with 0.14 Bitcoin. I'm up to 0.15. And this is the amount I'm trying to get to 1 Bitcoin. How long will it take? Well, time will tell. But slowly but surely, we're moving towards it. Each week, all my profits in my available balances, I'm compounding and adding to the oldest coin or pair to keep on compounding, make it bigger and bigger to try and reach my goal faster and faster. Let's see. Going to Bitscap. As you can see, I got two different exchanges linked, but the one we're focusing on is Qcoin, because that's the exchange I've donated to reach my goal and prove to everyone you can make profit using the Bitscap grid trading bot. Looking at BNB, moving very well for me. As we can see, a few lines left in sell orders, but my trailing up is on, and a lot of room to move if it needs to come down. XRP, probably the most uncertain big coin at this stage. Will they win the lawsuit? Will the banks adopt XRP? Well, time will tell, but the potential is there without a doubt. Cardano, the dApps is coming, smart contracts is coming in September. How much more will it push this price up? We zoom out, we can see this price has moved up massively. And as you can see in the gaps, trailing stop working, pulling my grids upwards as the market moves up to make sure I keep on making profit even if I'm not in front of the screen. Ethereum, will it reach that $10,000 mark before the end of the year? We're all looking forward to seeing. The market is moving up and down and sideways, a lot of momentum. The more volatile a coin is, the more profit we're going to gain from it. Polkadot, been on a surge up lately as well. Profits, profits, and more profits. I really can't complain. The coins are working on my behalf, and the grid trading bot, in my opinion, is one of the best trading bots out there currently. Can you lose? In my opinion, no, unless a coin goes to zero. But you can devalue in your fiat value. If the market drop, you will see a devalue in your current balance. So the coins is looking decent, and it looks like Polkadot is gonna be the main one we're gonna update today. Let's see. 475, that's the correct numbers. Just wanna add them here and make sure put them back into the correct numbers, because I'd like keeping the exact same grids where it was so I don't lose value. Just Wait, yeah, lower line, just saving it. There is a strategy to look at it, but the moment it moved out of the grids, you'll see it doesn't always show the correct lines. So I'm just writing them down on the side to make sure if we do go to spot and click on it, it does give us the exact correct amount. Now let's go back to KuCoin. I'm going to switch all my extra profits back to Polkadot. Right, Polkadot, not to Polkadot, excuse me, back to Bitcoin so we can compound and make the bot even stronger. Give it a second to switch around. Sell this to Bitcoin. Market is running slower. Putting in my trading code. Here we go. Market, sell all 100% to Bitcoin. There we go. The transaction is through. The next coin, we're going to go back to Bitcoin. Let's see if there's any available balances. There's BNB. BNB has been making a lot of money lately, moving up rapidly, up about 20% in the last week or so, from its lows in the 390 areas up to 450 at this current stage. A huge potential coin. So let's sell this BNB also back to Bitcoin, and then we'll stop our bot and we'll update it. BNB is sell. Always remember, another opportunity created with the BitsGap is when you use the KuCoin token. Having the KuCoin token, a bit of it, it helps you to pay a lower fee on your transactions. Right, my BNB is on 0, DOT is on 0, so we got $282 extra to add to KuCoin. All right, it will use a less amount of 5% to make sure there's enough available balance in your accounts. Let's get back to BitsGap. Gonna cancel the dot so we can reactivate it. It's cancelled. Now we'll wait for it to update. The moment we have nothing in orders with dot, we know the bot has gone to 0. There we go. The bot has gone to 0. Got a little bit of dot now, extra unavailable balance as well as Bitcoin. We will go back to this. Now you can click on spot history because your bot was cancelled, and it will show your latest bot. As you can see, 23rd of August, the one we just cancelled. Now when you click on it, let's click on a different one first. Now when you click on it, it will give your ranges. Now all you need to do is make sure your lower price and your upper price is correct and according to what you've written down prior. Now we've written down 0.0064757, it's correct, and the lower price is 0.000363665. That's correct. We're going to put all available funds into this bot. My grids I keep on 50, trailing up is on, and we can just restart the bot. You're probably going to ask us to buy a little bit of Polkadot. Let's give it a second to load. Got enough dot, it seems like. See, bot is running. And as you can see, when we canceled the bot, we were on $1,098 in value. And now with the new bot, we've added the additional funds, making it bigger. We'll wait a few seconds and let the bot update and start. And then we'll go back to KuCoin and see if we have any available balance left. There should be about 5% left. according to how it usually works. Bot has started. Let's go back to KuCoin, refresh, and see how much still available. As you can see, $56 available. The bot has compounded. It's bigger now, and we're moving forward. So another decent week with the BitGap grid trading bot. Decent profits. My account is growing. I'm able to keep on compounding. As long as I can compound, I'm going to reach my goal faster and faster. What's your thoughts on the BitGap grid trading bot or on grid trading in general? Please leave a comment and remember, hit that like button. Have a great one and enjoy the profits.